the AMD indicator in the ICT style, which stands for Accumulation, Manipulation, and Distribution, is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and activate the indicator by clicking on the file on the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the command section and then click the OK button. By dragging the indicator on the chart, it starts drawing 3 timeframes on the price chart. The AMD ICT style indicator is a convenient tool for traders. The ICT is focused on identifying the hour's power of 3 on the price chart. This indicator identifies accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phases on the chart nation and highlights them by drawing the colored boxes on the chart. For example, here we have 3 accumulation ranges marked in red, which indicate the accumulation phase of price, and it is drawn for us over a specific time period. After the time limit expires, the accumulation phase begins. We enter manipulation, which is considered the price manipulation phase, where we see that the price has moved downwards. The liquidity has gathered at the bottom here, and then it has moved upwards again. After the manipulation time has ended, we enter the next phase, namely distribution, which is our explanation phase, and there we see that the price has made a sharp upward move. In these stages, we can also observe that the price has manipulated slightly with a delay, and manipulation has occurred. However, after that, it sharply moved upward and entered the distribution phase mentioned in the settings. There is only one parameter for us, which determines the time duration for displaying the AMD on the chart. You can specify this in this section, which is set to 5 by default, meaning it goes back for 5 days and displays the 3 ranges of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution on the chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.